Hi everyone, my name is Walter and today we have some Lego bricks models. And in front of me is Lego bricks model for the kids. And this is Mercedes-Benz 190E. It's petrol. And its car in real life is made in 1989. It's about 1989. And in front of there is a big grill. And at the side in real life is 4.4 meters long, and in the back there is an exhaust pipe, and beside there are vintage hubcaps on the four wheels. There is nothing on the top. There is nothing under the car too. This car in the front of this car has 1.8 liter engines, and at the back it has 55 liters in the truck. They had a high quality design that's by Walter, and Walter made can move, but it's not move very well. But it can move a little bit. And in the front of there is a Mercedes-Benz symbol. It stars. Yes, can convert to this.